Hey guys, what's up? So today we're shooting top best jailbreak tweaks, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet's called I'm Trying to Vibe. Prevents your now playing app from being cleared in the switcher. This tweet's called Blurry, adds a customizable dynamic blur under your icons. This tweet's called Call Enhancer, and hopefully gets updated 5.13 up, but right now it's not. How often do you tap on a number, a phone number by accident and called it even if you didn't want to? So just make sure it fixes the problem for keeping a native look for iOS. So it gives you like that warning when you call somebody. It's like, would you like to call them? So helps you stop accidentally calling people by accident. This is called Tweak Reviews DB. It's a tweet that lets you review packages and mark them as working or broken in seconds. This is called C Sources 2, and it's a package manager, so you manage your sources, repos, and manage to allow control over your sources. So you can add as many sources, manage sources, add nodes, disable or enable them. Import studio.list, import studio.sources, backup sources via iTunes, iCloud manually, sync between devices, audio list feature, full dots. So yeah, pretty cool. It supports Unc0ver, Checkra1n, Odyssey, Chimera, Pengu, Phoenix, and more. And it works on Cydia installers, Celio, and Zebra. This is called All Store and allows you to sign apps, and they automatically resign using your app ID. This is called Shortmoji 2, #1 keyboard tweak, requires at least iOS 13.0 and up. Bring back life into your keyboards with bringing tons of useful functionalities to your keyboard. This is called App Library Disabler. App Library Disabler, turn off App Library. This is called Photo Dock, change your dot's background to a photo of your choice. This is called Boardy, and this tool allows you to seamlessly sync your clipboard with PC. You can sync text between PC and the iPhone, copy an image from the iPhone to the PC. This is called Settings Now Playing, adds the now playing view to your settings background. This is called CN HTML, allows you to add widgets to your home screen and lock screen. This is called Runaway. This is called I'll look later, iOS 11. Look at your notifications when you want to. So disables auto turn on screen when notifications is received. This is called Tweak Compatible. It's a way to check tweak compatibility in Cydia. Like last week, with Tweak Compatible, you actually mark the packages are working or not, so other people can see if the tweak is working or not with their iOS version or an iPhone. And this is called Switcher Style Pro, and customize Switcher Style like iPad, change the display style of the applications in the background to a new and elegant mesh appearance. Supports iOS 10.14. This is called Auto Scroll. It was updated to support iOS 14, but you do have to contact the developer on Twitter and DM him and pay $2.99 to get the Auto Scroll for iOS 14. But it automatically scrolls down for you, so if you're like reading something or on Instagram, it automatically scrolls for you instead of you have to scroll yourself like with your thumb or finger. This is called No Keyboard Spotlight. Avoid opening keyboard when Spotlight appears. This is called Carrier Artwork Music. Custom carrier and chain carrier text is now playing artist name. This is called App Library Shortcut, and adds an app to the home screen which can open up the app library. This is called Facade for Say Color. Customize compatible with iOS 10 to 14. Customize the colors of the top bar, grid color, Wi-Fi color, color time, battery clock, and alarm. Customize the colors of the application names. Customize the colors of the page points. Customize the colors of the enable and disable keys in hide background dock. This is called Save Cycle, companion tweak for the Sleep Cycle app. This is called Reddit Hider. You also get that guy that plays music or that man draws something in your Reddit feed. So it moves RPAN from your Reddit feed and also moves recommended subreddits and subreddit surveys. So Etsto, unleash your folders. This is called Yokomiru, and image your incoming notifications, pin them with badges, or add precious features. iOS 13 and 14. It's called LS Clarifier, remove background blotch for lock screen stuff. Next is called Skinny Settings, make sure settings minimal, sleek, and more. Supports iOS 8 to 14. This is called CC Power. This is called Notifica, Ball API Notification Customizer. This is called No More Deleted Call Talk, No More Deleted Call Talk Message. This is called Folder Controller 14. And also tweak for making custom. So you get folder options like custom layouts, custom sizes, custom background images, custom title font sizes, and placements. This is called Settings Now Playing, as the now playing view to your settings background. This is called The 80s, takes me back to the 80s with this animated retro wallpaper for your lock screen. This is called New York City, and a New York City inspired lock screen. This is called FlyJB you can hide you and jailbreak your iDevice. This is called YT Skip, minimal YouTube tweak, which removes video ads and allows playing in the background towards iOS 9 to 14. This is called N Control, allows you to play your controllers, for your games on your iOS device, only for games and apps that support MFI controllers. This is called Lyrication, live lyrics from music. Next is called Bongwater, completely redesigned the phone app contact screen. It's called F-Dots, hide page dots, hide icon badges, hide update dots, hide beta dots. And the last three is called No Updated Crayons. You guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.